the Accelerated Career Awareness Program, affectionately known as ACAP.
ACAP is a week-long career development program for high schoolers, which really teaches you about the different fields in business, all the skills that you need to survive in the real world, and you get to stay on TCU's campus for a whole week and meet so many new people.
The classes that they typically will take includes, of course, Accounting 101, data analytics, entrepreneurship and innovation, personal branding. And for the parents, we've even woven in this course called Demystifying College Admissions and Financial Aid. So it's a holistic experience for not just the students, but it's enlightening for the parents.
I know golfing is used a lot in business professions, and that's something I hadn't been exposed to prior to this program. And so being able to both network at an event like that and gain the skills of being on a golf course is something that'll carry with me throughout my career, and it's something I had a lot of fun doing.
One of the things that I've done is I've started making friends and I've started building those connections, but I've also talked to the speakers who have come. Networking is one of the most important things you can do for business.
We actually take the students to a corporate office and give them an opportunity to connect with and hear from professionals that are actually working in the field.
Today I got to go to the KPMG corporate office, and I got to tour around their facilities and meet with a lot of the different professionals there and learn a lot about the different aspects of a corporate firm and the public accounting world.
The other area that seems to be high impact for the students is their Capstone group project. They're learning critical thinking, they're learning how to interact in a program. They're really getting this holistic, transferable experience.
This exact situation happened.
I would recommend ACAP because it's really a place where you could thrive. ACAP helps lead you and guide you into the right path for your future and your career. You meet so many people, whether it's your peers, counselors, mentors, and also business professionals. And ACAP is really a place for you to learn, for you to thrive, for you to grow, and just make a better version of yourself.